Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. This is my first video and I will try to make you familiar with the basics of English grammar first. In today's video, we will go through the parts of speech. The first question that comes to your mind is, what are parts of speech? Let me give you the answer. Speech is what we speak. We speak in words, so we can say that words are parts of our speech. There is your answer. Parts of speech are words that we speak. These words are put in different categories according to the work they do in a sentence or what they indicate in a sentence. Do they indicate a name? Or do they indicate an action? Or do they modify any other word? Now the next questions that come to your mind are, what are different categories of these parts? Or what are these parts called? Or how many parts are there? We are going to find answers to these questions. Words are divided into different categories known as parts of speech according to the work they do in a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar as given below. First, noun. Second, pronoun. Third, verb. Fourth, adjective. Fifth, adverb. Sixth, preposition. 7th, conjunction, and 8th, interjection. In this video, we will only go through their definitions and try to remember their names. There will be a detailed video of each part of speech. For that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First, noun. Noun is used to show name. It can be a person's name, place or thing name or even an animal name. Mohan plays with his dog every day. In the above sentence, the underlined parts are called nouns, which indicates a person name and an animal name. Second, pronoun. Pronoun is used in place of a noun. It is mostly used to avoid the unnecessary repetition of noun. For example, Mohan plays with his dog every day. The underlined part is a pronoun which is used for the noun Mohan. Third, verb. Verb is used to indicate an action or state of being. It is also known as a doing word. For example, Mohan plays with his dog every day. The underlined part is a verb which shows what Mohan is doing or what his action is. Fourth, adjective. Adjective is used to add details to the noun or to show its kind or modify its meaning. For example, Mohan plays with his big dog every day. Underlined word is an adjective which modifies the noun dog. Fifth, adverb. Adverb adds more detail to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, Mohan happily plays with his very big dog every day. Underlined words indicates adverbs which modifies a verb and an adjective. Sixth, preposition. Preposition is used to show position or relation of a noun or pronoun with something else. For example, Mohan plays with his dog. Underlined word shows the relation of a noun with another noun. 7th, conjunction. Conjunction joins one or more words or sentences. For example, Mohan and Sohan plays with their dogs every day. Underlined word joins two words. 8. Interjection. Interjection is used to express sudden surprise, sadness, or happiness. These words are followed by an exclamation mark. For example, alas, Mohan can't play with his dog today. Underlined word expresses sorrow or sadness. Let's revise. There are 8 parts of speech. First, noun, which indicates a name. Second, pronoun, which is used for a noun. Third, verb, which is an action word. Fourth, adjective, which modifies a noun. Fifth, adverb, which modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Sixth, preposition, which shows position or relation. Seventh, conjunction, which is a joining word. And 8, interjection, which expresses sudden emotions. So these are the 8 parts of speech. Remember their names and for what they are used. We will discuss them in detail in the next videos. Till then, take care and stay safe. If you find my video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.